again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. Let me check this lighting. I've got black gloves today. Quick video, guys. This is going to be a giveaway. So I received an email from Colourful July. Colourful July is one of the brands that I get one of my monthly subscription boxes from. They've emailed me and said they're going to be shutting up shop. They're closing down the website. So for the last roughly 18 months, all my monthly boxes, not just Colourful July, but Varnail, Gel Box, I haven't put any of them away. They're all just piled up and I need to go. I was going to go through them all anyway, but because Colourful July have shut up shop, I thought, right, I'm going to go through all my Colourful July boxes, which I have done, and I've thrown everything into two boxes. When I say I've split them into two boxes, I filled a box and then I filled another box. So what I now need to do is go through them. I want everything split into two. There's far too much to give away to one person. So I'm going to do two boxes to give away. Guys, before I go any further though, please note there will be scammers all over this video because it's a giveaway. If anybody contacts you telling you have won, they are scammers. I will not be contacting anybody to tell you have won. Full stop. I won't be writing in the comments that you have won. I will not be sending you a private message to say that you have won. You will only find out you have won in one of my videos. So if you get any messages, even if it says Unpolished by Aggie and the profile picture is the same, it is not me. I am sick to death of not being able to do giveaways because of these scammers. They duplicate my channel. They have the same name as me. They use my profile pictures and people have handed money over in the past. I have found myself giving people money and I've found myself giving people products because I feel that bad that these scammers have took money off them. But because I'm making it this clear, I will not be reimbursing any money and I will not be giving out free products. If anybody hands money over, it's going to be on your heads. The reason I did it last time is because I didn't make it clear enough, so I'm making it clear now. I would never ever ask anybody for money for a giveaway, for the products or for the postage. So the only way you will find out if you have won is in a giveaway video like this. Right, so shall we get on with it? I'm going to go through and show you first what's in the boxes and then we'll get to the rules. So all the gels that I've got from Colourful July, they've all just been left in the boxes. So last night I went through all the gels. I think these 6 on top, they're like the pat paints that you use a sponge to do ombre. They're extremely thick. And these underneath, these are all, they're not solid gels. These are like gel polishes in pots. I'm not sure what these are because these came in the brand new box last month. And I never opened them. So I couldn't tell you what these ones are. I've no idea. But I think there's 36 gels in total in this one. So I've put all the gels in pots in this one. That's going to be the basis of that box. And then the basis of this box is all the bottled gels. So there's actually 9 of the Hema Free, which is these ones. These are huge bottles as well. All of the gels in here, look, 15ml. These are all Hema Free, these ones. And again, they've got them fantastic brushes. Some really good quality gels in these boxes. This brand in particular, that all the gels are, is a really good quality. So we've got all the Hema Free ones in there, and we've also got these ones that are in pots rather than put them in the other box, or doubles. There's doubles of these colours in the other box, and these ones again I'm not sure what these are because they were in the new box and they've never been opened. So there is four of these pots in this box, but I've put 10 of the Mowbray gels and these ones as well. I wanted to keep all the Mowbray gels in the same box. These are beautiful. I'm actually very sad for these to be going. Look at the packaging. Look at these bottles. They're beautiful. Oh wow, luscious glittery red. I'm not going to open them all and show you all the colours, but there's 10 of these Mowbray bottles. Very, very pretty. And yeah, these little ones, I've put a magnet in because I'm not sure which, but some of these little ones are cat eye. Like this one, I remember this. This is a cat eye. Beautiful, beautiful gel. So there's all them mulberry gels as well. There are more gels underneath. I'm not going to open them. I think there's 36 gels in the pots in the other box. I think this one's actually got 40 in total. More mulberry gels. This is a little solid palette that never got used. Look at this. This is so quirky. Look at this. All solid gel paints. So quirky. So I've put that in this box as well. And then these were from the Halloween box, temperature changing, and a top coat and a base coat. So that's the basis of this box. So I'm just going to put them to the side for 1 minute. I've emptied all the Colourful July boxes, and so I've got a couple of boxes just full of all the little bits that have come in the Colourful July boxes for the last 18 months to 2 years. So let's see if we can make a couple of kind of evened out boxes. Right, so I've got both boxes there, and we're just going to start putting things in. So I think we'll start with stickers. There's lots and lots and lots of stickers, but we're going to try and keep it quite similar. So I thought they were quite similar. There's butterflies on both. So we'll put one each of them. These are similar, just different colours. That one's upside down. They're kind of French tip with hearts, different colours. We've got roses, black and gold. Put one of them in each. And then we've got these. These are both kind of metallic. Slightly different, but we're not going to get them exact. And then we've got a couple more of these. We'll stick them in. And then lastly for the stickers, we've got these. So we'll stick one each of them in. Oh, and then we've also got some, these are like French, what you call them? Stencil guide things, not sure. Oh, we've got one more pack of stickers. Not sure which one to put that in. It's going to have to go in one of them. Right, I'm going to speed it up, guys, or else I'm going to be here all day. We've got a couple of cat magnetic chrome powders. They can be mixed into gels. Right, we've got glitters. These are kind of glittery mylar type things. We've got pearl type things. We can have one of them in each. We've got charm things. I'm not going to go into detail showing you absolutely everything. What I should have done is split these and put one of each, but we really haven't got time to be doing all that. Right, we've got these. I thought I didn't want to split these up, so we've got a pack of 4 of them. We'll put them in one, and the other one I thought we'd put these 3. Kind of similar but not. Oh, we've got little swatch pops. So these stick on your pots to identify colours and stuff. So we'll put a pack of them in each as well. This is going to get tricky now with things that I've really only got one of. I don't know how to do it. So we've got some light colour changing hearts and some little stony things. That's not very fair, is it? But we can put extra glitters in. We'll put extra glitters in the one that just got the stones. Right, we've got these glitters. Kind of mixture of reds and greens. But what we'll put in this one is we will put the extra silver ones to make up for the love heart rhinestones, I think. Stick them in. And I have got one spare silver glitter. Put that in that one. Right, we've got some extra eyeshadow applicators, and this is a silicone one. Put the silicone one in there. The extra ones in there. We've got a couple of cute little buffers. They can have one each. Right, we've got chrome powders. I think we'll put the better chrome powder in that side and the smaller one. I wouldn't say better, it's just bigger. That's got an extra 2 colours than that one. One of them can go in each. Right, gosh, this is getting difficult now. We've got a cuticle oil and a correct and clean up stick. This is a little pen for, you pick caviar beads up with it. That'll have to go in one. Right, we've got a couple of nail art brushes. One looks like a gel brush. One looks like a detailer brush. One of them in each. Right, we've got a couple of, these are both gem picker uppers, except that one's got a lid on each end of it and that one hasn't. So we will put one of them in each. We've got a spatula thing. I think I've got a spare one. Right, I've got a spare spatula, so I can put one in each. These are good if you want to mix gels. So we'll stick one of them in each. Right, so now we're down to rhinestones and things. This is where I'm going to struggle. So I've got a pot of 12 sequins to go in one. And then these are similar, just different shape pots. They can go in one. Then we've got, I think we'll put one each of them in. They're different, but everything can't be identical. And then we've got more sequin type stuff there. That one's already got them shapes, so they can go in that one. They can go in that one. Right, I'm not sure what all these are. Right, so that is Nail Tips Adhesive Gel. I think I've got another one of them actually in my drawer. Right, I thought I had a spare one of these Colourful July Nail Tips Gel. My lighting is horrendous, I do apologise. So I've stuck one of my Born Pretty ones in, so that you have got one each. And then these, I'm not sure what they are. Again, these came in the new box. I will make sure they go in the box that's got all the Mowbray gels. I'd like all the Mowbray stuff to be in the same box. I'm not sure if they're stamping gels or gel paints in tubes. I'm not sure what they are. So I'll make sure they go in the box that's going to have all the Mowbray gels. And then these two are like 5D gels. Non-white 5D gels. They can go in the other one. We're getting there, guys. Right, so I've got a stamper and a plate. I can't put one of each in. Obviously, they need to go together. So I will put them in one box. And to make up for them in the other box, I will put the ombre sponge and the foils. I think we're there. Are we there? We are done. Oh, we've got one pack of stickers left, which was the box that had the extra pack of stickers. That box, wasn't it? So we'll stick them in that box. Right, I think we're done, guys. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of shuffling around, but this box with the little Mowbray things is going to be paired up with all the Mowbray, the polishes that are in bottles with all the Mowbray stuff. So that is going to be all going to one person. So I will probably just sellotape these boxes together and send them like that, rather than empty them all again, because they're all nice and snug now. They're staying like that. And then obviously the other box will be getting paired up with all the gels that are in pots. I think I could possibly fit all these into this box. We shall see. If not, they'll be getting sellotaped together as well. So there we go. That is them done. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to repeat myself. Let me move these off. I will not be contacting anybody to tell you that you have won. I will only do a video picking the winners. It will be a video like this and it will say giveaway winners. I will not be contacting anybody to tell them they have won. I will not be private messaging you, and I will not be replying to your comments to tell you that you've won. You will only find out you have won in an actual video on my channel. Please ignore anybody with the same name, the same profile picture telling you that you've won, and certainly do not hand over shipping money or postage money to anybody. I would never ask for a penny. It is a giveaway. You should not be paying to receive a giveaway prize. Right, so let's get into the rules. So I cannot be posting all these gels out the country. Firstly, they are stupidly heavy. It's just too expensive. And secondly, I'm not allowed to anyway. I'm not allowed to send these gels out of the country because I am not a company. I'm not registered and I'm not insured. So I can't send these gels out the country. So the boxes are open to UK only. However, because 60% of my subscribers are from outside the UK, I always feel so guilty having giveaways that are UK only. So I thought the best thing I could do, I could have got sponsors to sponsor the prizes for outside the UK, but I thought because I just wanted to get it recorded and out tonight, rather than waiting for responses from sponsors, and I don't want to wait weeks to get rid of these boxes, I thought I would just throw in a $20 gift card for a store of your choice, Amazon, or you could have £20, sorry, put in your PayPal. It'll be 20 Great British pounds, so it'll be £20 of my money. Whatever that converts to in your currency is what it converts to. It will be 20 Great British pound. So I'm going to leave it open to everybody, but if you're outside the UK, it will just be a £20 gift voucher or £20 PayPal. So for the rules, guys, very straightforward. This is not a rule, but I would really appreciate it if you shared the video. I would really appreciate that, but you don't have to share it to enter. But the things you do have to do to enter, you've got to be subscribed, and I do have quite a few people actually that check for me. You've got to be subscribed and you've got to like the video. So all you need to write in the comments, everybody needs to write enter me. However, if you're from the UK, you need to write enter me UK. That is it. As long as everybody writes enter me, you will be entered. If you're from the UK, just add UK to the end of that, so you would write enter me or enter me UK. That is it for the rules, guys. And I can't stress enough, do not reply to anybody that's messaging you or telling you in the comments that you have won. Even if it comes from a YouTube channel that looks like mine, it is not me. I promise you, and I can assure you, it is not me. They're so sneaky and sly, and they are good at what they do. So please, guys, just be careful. But yeah, that is going to be it for today. Please remember to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want to be in with a chance of winning. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.